Phrasal Fun. Working it out with workout. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today we're going to delve into a fascinating topic in English grammar: phrasal verbs. More specifically, we're going to tackle the versatile phrasal verb, work out. This term is used in various contexts and has different meanings, but don't worry, we're here to work it out together. Work out is a phrasal verb, which is a type of verb that is created by combining a regular verb with a preposition or an adverb. The phrase, work out, is a combination of the verb, work, and the preposition, out. What's interesting is that the meaning of work out can vary greatly depending on the context in which it's used. Now let's dive into the different meanings of work out and some example sentences to help you understand. 1. To exercise or train. Probably the most common usage, work out, can refer to participating in physical exercise or a training routine. 2. I work out at the gym 3 times a week. 3. To solve a problem. When we have a difficult problem, whether it's math homework or a puzzle, we can work it out or solve it. 4. We need to work out this issue before we move forward. 5. To plan or develop something. You can work out a plan, which means to develop or come up with it. 6. We've worked out a new strategy for our project. 7. To happen or develop in a favorable way. Sometimes things work out in the end, meaning that everything happens as hoped or planned. 8. Despite our worries, the party worked out well. Remember, context is key when interpreting the meaning of work out. Let's put what we've learned into practice. Here are some sentences. Try to identify the meaning of work out in each one. 1. I need to work out a schedule for our team. 2. Things didn't work out between them, so they broke up. 3. She works out every morning to stay healthy. 4. Can you help me work out this math problem? And there you have it. Hopefully, this video has helped you to better understand the different uses of the phrasal verb, work out. It's truly a multifunctional phrase. Remember to practice using it in different contexts to improve your English skills. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar adventures.